मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय सर्वेऽपि सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
बोधः शान्तिः
शान्तिः
ब्रह्म शान्तिः
शान्तिः
सर्वः शान्तिः
शान्तिः
शान्तिरेव शान्तिः।
Main objectives. 1. Promotion of positive health, that is, health education. 2. Prevention of diseases. 3. Early detection, diagnosis, and treatment of diseases. 4th and the last one, referral services to higher health centers for treatment and management. Functioning of clinic. First one, routine complete physical health checkup of each student. Second, curative services through OPD services. Third, immunization against tetanus at the age of 10 and 16 years. Fourth, referral of students who require attention of a specialist to referral centers, hospitals, and subsequent follow-up of these cases. Fifth one, health education and counseling. And the last one is advising the school authorities for maintenance of healthy and safe environment. Special activities by Kalkaji School Health Clinic. First School Health Mela of Delhi was organized successfully by staff members of School Health Clinic, Kalkaji. It was first of its kind and appreciated by the officers of CDMO office, DHS, that is Directorate of Health Services, and School Health Scheme.
Dr. Charan Singh, Joint Director, School Health Scheme, has given us the freedom to incorporate new ideas and activities to improve our services. He has always been very supportive and maintained the easy and cool environment on the workplace.
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है।
मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी, मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी। हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है, हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है।
भोली भाली मत वाली आँखों में क्या है, भोली भाली मत वाली आँखों में क्या है।
आँखों में झूमे उम्मीदों की दिवाली, आँखों में झूमे उम्मीदों की दिवाली। आने वाली दुनिया का सपना सजा है, आने वाली दुनिया
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है।
Mela at DDA Flats Girls School on January 2010. Interaction with parents as and when required or arranged by the school. Campaign on leprosy awareness along with the team from district office, district leprosy officers arranged a talk, quiz and followed by cash prizes for students of number 2 girls school and DDA Flats phase 2 school. Career counseling of students for nursing profession. Arranged magic shows for all schools on the theme of prevention is better than cure. Group and incidental health education.
Health education is an ongoing activity carried out during OPD, medical examination and immunization. Topics are chosen on the basis of need and current problems in the community. Generally, we give information to students on general health topics, that is nutrition, balanced diet, oral rehydration, care of eyes and control of blindness due to trachoma. We educate students on common accidents, environmental sanitation, cholera, diarrhea and dysentery, skin diseases, dental care, worm infestation and anemia. We have given several talks to students on personal hygiene. We motivate them regarding personal hygiene by saying that personal hygiene makes body active and fresh, which enables the freshness of the brain. We tell students about bathing importance and it should be done at least once a day. We promote students for keeping their surrounding neat and clean by saying that one should strive for the best possible personal hygiene because common courtesy towards others, self-respect and health reasons. We dispense iron tablets to anemic students and advise them to have green leafy vegetables, black gram, jaggery, etc. in their meals. We advise students and school health authorities regarding importance of safe drinking water and good environmental sanitation. We give counseling to the students regarding their personal hygienic habits and encourage them to develop good health practices. We give suggestions to teachers to supervise how food is procured, stored or served in the school and encourage children to develop healthful food habits. We educate students on rational use of medicines as they are not the passive recipients of the information, but they are able to come up with their own behaviors and practices regarding the use of medicines, reflect them in the light of the messages being given, and become convinced about them through the explanation and examples. We do measuring height, weight, as well as preparing the list of the students to be examined. In addition to medical checkup, the teacher and the students are given health education on various general health topics as stated above, so as to create awareness for accepting the principle of positive health. The in charge of our clinic takes effective measures to achieve the targets not only in the quantity but also quality. We have actively involved in the implementation of school health program, and we have followed a pre-planned schedule of visit to the school other than our main school health clinic along with the paramedical staff. During the examination of children, the relevant immunization services are also offered. We also provide iron tablets and promote deworming to all school-going children. We instruct students that addresses the physical, emotional, mental and social aspects of health to help students improve their health, prevent illness and reduce risky behaviors. We give health services, preventive services, education, emergency care, referrals and management of acute and chronic health problems designed to prevent health problems and injuries and ensure care for students.
Celebrated WHO Day in the school with students on awareness and prevention of diseases.
इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के।
इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के।
दुनिया के रंज सहना और कुछ न मुंह से कहना,
दुनिया के रंज सहना और कुछ न मुंह से कहना,
सच्चाइयों के बल पे आगे को बढ़ते रहना,
सच्चाइयों के बल पे आगे को बढ़ते रहना।
रख दोगे एक दिन तुम संसार को बदल के,
रख दोगे एक दिन तुम संसार को बदल के। इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के।
अपने हो या पराए, सबके लिए हो न्याय।
अपने हो या पराए, सबके लिए हो न्याय।
देखो कदम तुम्हारा हरगिज न डगमगाए।
देखो कदम तुम्हारा हरगिज न डगमगाए।
रास्ते बड़े कठिन हैं, चलना संभल संभल के।
रास्ते